really don't need annoying setups like ComfyUI anymore to create these awesome images like these Pokemon or even Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Got Dark Magician there. These are some of the brand new ones I've posted on my Pinterest. Really hyper detailed, pretty cool. And yeah, last video I went through, I ran through my ComfyUI workflow, which works great. But you know, it's a bit fiddly set up. You need to have decent computer specs. And yeah, it can be a bit annoying. So for some reason, ChatGPT Image now you can actually just create these images. So the quickest way to do it is obviously you go to Pinterest and you find an image that you like. So I could use this for example, and I'll go back to my GPT and just give it the image, upload it. Please give me 5 Pokemon image prompts in this style. This is all you need to do. It'll create a couple of cool ones for you. I'll just go with ground on. And yeah, if you get a few free ones each day with ChatGPT, and bang, that's all you need to do. But what you're probably here for is you know, if you don't want to have to pay for it, there is a way to get these images for free, and I'll tell you that now. So there's a place called LM Arena, and the awesome thing is this is no sign up. You can just get straight into it. So I'll load an fresh LM Arena show you. So this is what it'll look like. All you have to do is you click the Generate Images tab. I like to use side by side because you can choose what model you want. And then you can find GPT Image One. The other one that does a pretty decent job is the Generate 4.0 as well. I can throw that in and then bang. Okay, so for the GPT Image One, yeah, obviously it's not super accurate, but you know, we're trying to make a hyper realistic type aesthetic HDR detail. You have to vote continue as well. So the left is better. Got it. Sweet. If I just go, something super simple. You should see that it gets it pretty accurate. Cameras and lights. Yeah, you should see that it gets it pretty accurate with that kind of prompt. So yeah, that's probably because it's trying to make a super realistic version. Obviously the head does look a bit like him, but you know, if I instead just same thing, it's probably come up pretty realistic. So even the Google one, you know, it's not great, but it recognizes it, has done an okay job. You can test out these other ones as well. I've gone through a lot of them and they're not that great, but yeah, there you go. It's, you know, everyone would know that looks like it. So yeah, and you just have to vote and you just keep going. That's basically what they get from it. That's what keeps it free. So you get to test the AI, test it out. You can choose different models. It's an awesome platform to use. And then yeah, that's pretty much, oh, hang on. I haven't got that in a lot. Okay, so you have to make it. Okay. So you can create cinematic anime. Well, that's really interesting. I haven't got this before, but it makes sense. So this is how it comes within the policy. Okay. There you go. That's how you need to know. That's how you can create these images now, which is awesome because I was unsure as to why all of a sudden you could now do this without having to find workarounds, but there you go. That's why. How good. So yeah. And like always, guys, that's all I have. Quick video today, but I really appreciate everyone's support, especially on the Instagram page. You're getting close to 20,000 followers there. So if you don't follow that, please give us a follow, and please subscribe to this channel, because this is the best way to support me, and continue the Wayno videos, which everyone's loving so much. So thanks, guys. I appreciate you, and I will catch you soon.